We all Muslims, we believe without anybody's support that Isa ibn Maryam is the spirit. Is the Messiah. The Quran also mentioned, Mal Masihu Isa ibn Maryam Rasulullah. Kad khalat min qablu rusul wa ummuhu siddiqa kana yaqulani ta'am. Allahu Akbar. Then Allah said, Unzur, look how we make our signs clear unto you. Summa unzur, look again. They have eaten. He's eaten. Who? Allah said, he is just among the prophet and messenger that Allah sent. And he, Jesus Christ, and his mother have eaten food. The question is, why would Allah tell you and I that Jesus and his mother ate food? Why? Why? We know they ate food, but Allah is taking the pain to explain. His mother and himself, they ate food. He said, look, unzur, look, they've eaten food. The answer is in the statement. Because if you eat, sooner or later, you go to the toilet. Or you go to the bushes. Or to the rocks. And do your thing. So Allah said, unzur, look. You make him a God. He's eating. That is the implication of eating. If there is inlet, there must be outlet. If there is inlet, there must be outlet. Is this your God? Unzur, look. In case your mind is blocked, Allah says, Thumma unzur, look again, think deeply. Could a God eat? In the Roman Catholic, they worship Mary as the mother of God. And they bow down to the statue of Mary. Hail Mary, full of grace, mother of God. Blessed art thou above all women on the earth. They worship her as a mother of God. If these are God, Allah simply said, okay, but they have eaten. The fact that they ate and defecate disqualify them completely. That is the word of Allah. So, Jesus gave the baton to the messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He gave him the baton. You look in the Quran chapter 61 verse 6. Quran 61 verse 6, Surah to Saf. A clear indication. وَإِذْ قَالَ عِيسَى بْنُ مَرْيَمَ يَا بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ إِنِّي رَسُولُ اللَّهِ إِلَيْكُمْ مصدقا لما بين يدي من التوراة ومبشرا برسول يأتي من بعد اسمه أحمد. But ولما جاءهم بالبينات قالوا هذا سحر مبين. This to me is a clear injunction about Jesus Christ and Muhammad.